In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover to your TikTok videos. I'm going to walk you through each and every step. It's going to be nice and simple. Let's get to it. All right, so grab your phone, open up the TikTok app, and then simply click on the little plus icon at the bottom. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use an old vlog that I've created so that we can record the voiceover on top of that. So I'm just going to open that one up. And then I'm gonna turn up my volume a little bit. And TikTok has automatically added a sound to this clip. I don't want that, so I'm gonna close out of that one at the top. So as you can see, there's no audio at all for this video. And then when you go to the right-hand side where all the buttons are, click on the drop-down arrow and then scroll all the way down and you'll see voice. And when you open that up, you'll still see your clip and then you'll see a record button at the bottom of the screen. So once you click that one, it will open up the clip and you'll see all of the frames that you have in your edit. Now, if you only have one clip, that's fine as well, but I can see all of the different scenes in my vlog. And then what I can do is hold down that microphone button and I can simply start talking. So I'll hold it down and I'll say some random shit. Hello and welcome to my mini vlog. We recently took a family trip to a pretty expensive zoo. This is me with the giraffes. All right, so now we've recorded a voiceover for the beginning of the clip. Of course, you can do this for the entire clip as a whole, or if you only need a voiceover for that first bit, great, then you can do that. Or let's say you need a voiceover for the beginning, which we already did, and then you want a voiceover for the end, then you scroll to that part, and then we basically are gonna continue recording. And then once you are satisfied, you click on done and save. Hello and welcome to my mini vlog. We recently took a and now you have a voiceover. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and share it with someone who could use it. And then I will see you in the next one.